Well, hey everybody, welcome back. So this is day one of construction. So this is our hole. So the hole is 15 feet wide, left to right, and I don't know how deep it is, but it's at least 12 feet or so. It's pretty crazy. So they've got the footer poured, and then they're going to start pouring, or they're going to start laying block as soon as this is dried. So just looking at some different perspective here. This is a giant hole. If you remember from part one here on the video, this was not very nice, but yet pristine yard. So they're going to start laying block as soon as the concrete is dry here. So the double door is going to go in. So they've got about 3 feet on either side of the door that they're going to use for just the wall. There's going to be some lights and a doorbell and that kind of stuff that goes down there. So they have been basically driving dump trucks through here all day, just pulling dirt out. I was working from home and pretty much came outside to a whole truck, or a whole street full of trucks. There was a tandem axle block truck, cement mixer, a bunch of dump trucks, all kinds of stuff rolling through here. And I have started my apology tour for all of my neighbors for just basically being loud and in pain. So this is where the wall once was. And then they've basically just been doing this with dump trucks all day. So looking back through here again, this is where we're at. So, you know, somebody who's not very familiar with these projects, in my mind, they got a ton done for day one. So anyway, enjoy the time lapse. Here's what they did today. All right, well, check this out. So this is the end of day 2 progress. Look at all this block. So they've got a good gap here. That was weird. And I was looking at that hole the other day. It was looking like it was pretty huge. But they're gonna backfill all of this with gravel, and then the other thing too is it's going to be lined with a decorative stone. So this is pretty sweet. This is what's left of the block so far. I don't know how much more they're gonna lay. We'll definitely have to see. All right, everybody, that wraps up this segment. So check back. We'll have more updates soon. Thanks for stopping by.